Nĩ igongona rĩa gũkũngũĩra makĩria ma mĩaka 65 ĩrĩa kambuni ya thabuni wa Cussion ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtambũrũkia ũtungata wayo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, ĩgĩtĩĩra gũkorwo ĩkĩaramia thoko yayo kuuma Kenya nginya mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ Afrika.
We are celebrating more than 65 years in Kenya, and this company has many legacy brands. One such brand is this famous Imperial leather. This iconic brand, Imperial leather, which has a touch of red, has a history of more than 250 years. This brand name came 250 years before, and the soap which got transformed into this brand is more than 100 years old, and we are selling this sabuni in Kenya for more than 65 years.
Maretĩĩra gũkorwo magĩkinyĩra makĩria ma andũ mirioni 1 gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa East Africa na gũkũngũĩra gũkorwo mĩri yao ĩrĩ kuuma bũrũri ũyũ wa Kenya.
From a humble beginning in Kenya, we have grown multiple fold. Today, we are proud to say we have more than 1 million consumers in East Africa. Above all, I am now confidently telling you, we are the only full-fledged sabuni manufacturer in the whole of Kenya. We are the only one who makes sabuni from the grassroots level of fresh oil to make the full-fledged soap. The beauty of this brand, how it has grown over a period of time, is that the consumer evolution of East Africa is fast changing. With millennials, Gen Zs, and then Alpha generations, and of course the baby boomers of our generation, everybody loves this iconic brand.
Thafuni to thafuni kũringana na ũrũgamĩrĩri wa kambuni ĩno, mũthafuni ũyũ wa Cussion mauthondekete na ũbacĩrĩri mũnene nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra nĩ marũmbũiya ũthaka wa mũhũthĩri, kũrĩa ningĩ mawĩigĩte na ikĩro itiganĩte kũringana na ũhoti wa mũndũ kĩmũhuko.
People will say that sabuni is sabuni, but people will love to use Imperial as a sabuni, which gives them the pride of luxury on what they deliver. This sabuni, people say value for money. I keep telling people in Kipera are the richest people because they are rich in their heart, rich in their aspiration, rich in their ambition. For them, Imperial leather is still affordable and they go and buy it because they value the brand for the money they pay for the brand. And that is what is Imperial leather all about. And from sabuni, now in sabuni itself we have now 18 varieties of sabuni. We are the now market leader for men's sabuni, family sabuni, and women's sabuni.
Kuuma Kenya maroiga rĩu merekeirie thabuni ũyũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Ghana makiranĩra kũgacĩrithia makĩria nĩguo kũnyotora nyota wa ahũthĩri. Oho nĩ mahinyĩrĩirie arĩa matakoretwo makĩũhũthĩra makorwo makĩũgeria, kũrĩa ningĩ macokeirie ngatho arĩa othe makoretwo magĩtirithania nao matukũ macio mothe.
We are proud to say it is now traveling from Kenya and after Africa, Free Trade Continent, it is going all the way to Ghana. Since I am responsible for Ghana, we are proud to say that we are selling made in Kenya soap in Ghana today proudly in that marketplace. We continue to invest. The today's launch is a symbol that we are committed to grow this market of Imperial leather brand along with Morning Fresh, along with Cusson's Baby and other brands of Venus. We are market leaders in Venus. Peace at Cusson's has a rich history of those brands. We are committed to grow this market. Today's purpose is to convey the message that we are celebrating with this iconic brand, and we will continue to invest in these brands to grow this market to the next level.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kehumo.